In this short video tutorial, I will show you some accessibility features. Let's start by creating a quick pencast. The default background color of a pencast is white and the default pen color is gray. These colors might not be optimal for everyone, so let's change that by selecting a high contrast theme in Windows. If we change back to iXplain, you can see that iXplain, including the pencast, is using high contrast colors. Important to note is that any existing pencast can be viewed in high contrast colors, without the need of changing the pencast itself. Another accessibility feature is the support of narrators. So let's switch on narrator support. Switch on the volume.
Tooltip, volume level 2.
Let's hear what the narrator has to say about the Go to Edit Mode button.
Edit. Button, Control E. Go to Edit Mode to be able to record or edit the pencast. Volume down.
As you might have heard the narrator mention, is the shortcut of the button. So shortcuts is the third accessibility feature I would like to mention in this video. They can be discovered through the tooltips. So to round up this tutorial, we showed three basic accessibility features of iXplain, which were high contrast support, narrator support, and keyboard support through shortcuts.